Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another one from the Outre. I'm super excited about this one, guys. We are coming through with the Neesha Soft and Natural Lace Front Wig 206. Now, I have not tried any of the Neesha units. Look at this stock card. These brown girls are beautiful, or this brown girl is beautiful. So, I have this unit in the color number 2, and let's go on and get her together. We have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps. Let's get into this parting space. This is a like middle part. Look at how beautiful that is. The lace is kind of light, but that's okay because the texture of this hair feels insane. So let's go on ahead and get her together, okay?
All right, guys, let's get into the deets on this Neesha 206 unit. So this unit I have in the color number 2, which this is a dark number 2, but I kind of like it because it looks super natural. The lace is pre-plucked in HD Swiss. I really love the natural texture and volume of this unit. It's like a yucky hair. It's super soft. It gives you a lot of bounce. I'm really feeling it. The lace is super light, so we're just going to go on through and darken her up with our contour palette because it is necessary, okay? So we're just going on through and darkening up the lace. This unit is very soft to the touch. She does not shed. I did not get any tangling when I was playing and running my fingers through her. And I really do appreciate that. Now, this unit is going for just under $30 on most wig sites, okay? And she is absolutely worth it. She is worth every penny. The texture of this hair is really the selling point because it is just super awesome, and I can't get enough of how these units are getting more into that natural soft texture that is real life black girl hair. In order to complete this look, I'm just going through and cutting some baby hairs around the perimeter. You guys know how I feel about baby hairs, but it's kind of necessary here just to make sure that this is a super seamless unit. This is a relatively snug cap, but I do think that she is big head friendly. I just found that she felt super secure for me, and that's important. You know what I mean? We trying to go on rides. We trying to live a life. We trying to get mad at people and shake our head back and forth. You understand what I'm saying? So let's get on into getting this unit together.
Let me tell you something. This is my mammy Tim hair. I used to literally wear my hair like this, like not even to be like funny. Like, this is my hair. This unit is fire, and for the price, you really cannot beat this with a bag. Like, I'm really impressed. Let me bust. Look at that. Bust a point on there. Y'all, that's my mammy Tim hair. This is my hair. I am really into this look. I'm into the length of this unit. It was super effortless. She took us no time to get her all the way together, and I'm feeling that, okay? You know what she's for? She's for if we ever get back to work, you got to grab her and go. Throw her on. You know what I mean? Oh, you late for a little Zoom meeting? Plop her right up on your head because mother is the one. I really cannot get enough of this. Like, it took literally next to nothing. I wish you could touch this hair. I wish you could touch this hair. This is black. This is brown girl hair. Like, the general, like, this is just. Outre. Who you got over there working? What's her name? It's a her, and I'm sure she like this. I'm sure she just gotta be, because this is like our hair. I'm impressed. But you know what? This doesn't take us too far away from that other unit that we did, and it was the perfect hairline Outre. I'm gonna leave it up here because the texture of that hair is just like this one, and I can't believe this is my first Neesha wig. But I'm so happy with this. Like, I'm so happy with this. We're actually like done the Neesha units or anything like that because I was worried about the texture of the hair, and I am so pleasantly surprised, and I cannot believe I'm like so mad at myself that this is my first Neesha unit because she is mother provided. I'm sorry, but my hair, she mean her. I love this unit. I really don't have nothing else to say. Take me on back, okay? This is me. This is all me, okay? And if you have not already, bust down. Tell me what you guys are thinking. Have you tried the Neesha series yet? Which ones have you tried? Which ones do you recommend? Let your girl know, and I'll see you beautiful mugs later.